Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and today it's time to talk about idioms, Hakka idioms. 再次呢，邀請 Leo 老師呢來介紹客家的諺語。How's that?
好，那我就講一個跟6月有關係的諺語好了。
這麼精準啊，就以這個月來當主題。
對，就是這個月。
All right.
然後我要先講一句，就是 Joseph， 你變帥了耶。
我拍謝啦，還好啦，沒有啦。那 Leo 你也很帥，你知道嗎？
謝謝，
我一直都這麼覺得。
有沒有覺得這樣子心花怒放，很開心呢？
突然間覺得天氣更好了。
天氣更好了。好，我今天要說的這個諺語呢，就是2年一季3冬暖，2年一季6月寒。
對啊，你這句話再講一次。
2年一季3冬暖
，2年一季3冬暖
，2年一季6月寒
，2年一季6月寒。來解釋一下。
好，前面的呢，就是跟我稱讚你的那句話是有關係的，那就是2言一句3冬暖。
哦，講一個很好聽的話，在冬天的時候也會很溫暖。
對，就是3個冬天都
3個冬天都溫暖。Okay, so the first part of this idiom says, if you say something good during winter time, you're gonna feel warm for 3 winters. Okay.
如果是我講了一句壞話，罵你的壞話，你可能就會覺得這個6月真的是冷到爆，
就變得很冷了。哦，那就是第2段，再講一次，怎麼說
？2年一季6月寒。
哦，就是說2言一句在6月的時候就會變得很寒冷了。
是的。
Okay, and if you say something bad during summertime, during the month of June, for instance, you're gonna feel cold for a long, long time. 哦，這個蠻有道理的哈，所以我們應該常說好話。
對。
Let's hear a summary of this idiom in English right now.
Communication is an art that's difficult to master. To remind us of its importance, a Hakka saying warns, a positive remark warms up the coldest winter days, but a negative one chills even the hottest days of summer. Tactless words can cause misunderstandings and even be hurtful. So it's important to watch what we say because communication is key to building relationships. So instead of saying hurtful things, it may be a good idea to opt for positive, encouraging remarks.
And let's have Leo repeat the line again. 我們請 Leo 再講一次這個諺語。
2年一季3冬暖，2年一季6月寒。
So again, good remarks would heat up the winter, and bad remarks will make a summer's day so ice cold, it's gonna feel so cruel. So don't do that, okay? There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.